How's it going? I'm Jared Gillis. Welcome to another All About RVs. Today, I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you. I'm thankful for the RVing community, and I'm thankful for you. Thankful that you are willing to choose to watch one of our videos and give us your time. It has helped our family to be able to use our RV. And looking back on this last year, from everything that has happened, from huge storms that have changed plans to extremely high fuel prices, the highest we've ever seen, mixed in with the always needed maintenance and never-ending projects that always seem to happen. But with that, the places we have gone, the memories that we have made, those are the things that stick out to me over this last year. And this really is an amazing time to RV. So I really just wanted to say to you all, thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. It really can't be overstated. So Merry Christmas. I hope you have a Happy New Year, and I can't wait to see what this next year has for us.